Guys, looking for a new interesting tablet, then you should definitely consider check out this latest model from Teclast, one of the most experienced tablet manufacturers in the Chinese market. Teclast has built a solid reputation with its diverse portfolio over the years. The new Teclast T50HD tablet with the latest Android 14 OS in the particularly appealing, boasting robust specification, eye-catching design and sturdy build quality. It's worth a closer look if you are in the market for a reliable and stylish tablet. Be sure to watch this Teclast T50HD tablet video review. Teclast Renew in the rugged smartphone market has recently revealed its newest gem, sure to win over countless customers. The latest T50HD tablet shines as an impressive addition to the lineup, so let's kick things off with the unboxing. This is our tablet and it goes a little sideways. First up we have this user manual and instructions guiding settings up and maximizing the use of the tablet. Next we have the SIM pin, a sectional for accessing the SIM card slot. Following that we have the USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, and finally we have this charger delivering swift and efficient charging for this tablet. That wraps up the contents of this box. Let's shift our focus to the tablet itself and explore its features in more detail. This beautiful tablet comes in its feather-light aluminum metal body, weighing 530 grams and only 7.8mm thick. It's a remarkable portable. Teclast's newest tablet is bound to capture your attention if you are looking for a device that combines design and performance without breaking the bank. It's not only excellent choice for adults but also suitable for passing down to kids. Positioning is a top consider for the title as the best budget Android 14 tablet. The tablet's design is also receiving accolades. Despite its wallet-friendly price, it exudes an air of sophistication that defies its affordability. While it may not boast a luxury status, the T50HD achieves a stylish aesthetics without hefty price tag. On the side of the frame we find the power button and the volume buttons right next to them. On this side we find the SIM card tray that can be used for either 2 nano SIM cards if you want to do phone service activations, or 1 microSD card and the nano SIM card with a card of up to 1 TB. Here in the middle there is also USB Type-C slot for charging, and we can see these speaker holes. You can also see this same speaker on the opposite side, which gives us a total of 2 speakers that enable us to enjoy an excellent high quality stereo sound. Here in the very corner we find this 3.5mm headphone jack, which is really commendable. Flip the back, the T50HD provides an elegant Aura ring design dual camera set module consisting of a 30MP main lens, an auxiliary lens and LED flash. T50HD managed to capture photos with a decent image quality, at least in daylight. The images look bright, vibrant and quite detailed. The camera is also able to record videos in a maximum resolution of 1080 pixels and 30 fps. From the front there is thin frames, there is 8MP front camera for video calls. This tablet ensures you capture and communicate with clarity. The display of the T50HD is a truly standout feature. It is a 11-inch screen boasting a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels with a 16:10 aspect ratio, delivers a captivating viewing experience perfect for enjoying Netflix shows and the movies. With a 2K display, it ensures sharp text and clear icons, setting a new standard for budget tablet. While it maintains the standout refresh rate of 16Hz and impressive brightness expected in this price point, it also offers a high pixel per inch density, enhancing the overall visual quality. When compared to the other tablets in this price range, the T50HD screen stands out, offering a viewing experience that rivals the competition. On a sunny day, the screen offered remains reliable without fading, although direct sunlight may still pose visibility changes. This type of screen is among the best available on the budget tablet, offering good color reproduction without picture distortion and providing blue light protection for comfortable reading. Teclast has enhanced the screen eye friendliness by obtaining TUV Island low blue light certification, significantly reducing blue light exposure. This feature ensures better eye protection and reduces the risk of eye strain, especially after prolonged use in dark environments. Moreover, the Teclast T50HD is certified with the Byline L1, enabling users to enjoy the latest series on the streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and Disney Plus in brilliant 1000 pixel resolution and above. This coupled with the mobile data support, enhancing its appeal for media consumption. In my testing, I found no issues with the internet browsing, scrolling through the social media, document creation, and managing emails. The generous 11-inch screen size and thin frames makes it suitable for both content consumption and multitasking. The tablet's excellent image and video processing, particularly on the platforms like YouTube, ensure a pleasant viewing experience without causing headaches after extended period of use. You find a wide selection of the popular game titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to its robust Unisoc Tiger T606 processor. This processor features 2 high-performance A65 cores clocked at 1.6 GHz along with 6 power-efficient A55 cores, ensuring optimal performance for both work and multimedia tasks. This configuration provides a seamless and energy-conscious tablet experience, offering sufficient gameplay for most games, although it's important not to expect miracles in terms of performance. While the T50HD delivers ample gameplay for most titles, it's important to manage expectations. Additionally, it comes equipped with the basic 6GB of RAM, which can be expanded using 8GB of virtual RAM, providing a total of 14GB of RAM for even smoother and faster tablet operations. With a generous UFS 2.2 storage capacity and 256GB expandable via memory card of up to 1TB, this tablet offers ample space for storing your digital content. The tablet adopts the latest Android 14 OS and significantly enhancing privacy protection, including control over app permissions and more secure 6-digit passwords. The pre-installed Google Play Store ensures effortless synchronization of all applications and provides a clean Android experience devoid of unnecessary bloatware or unexpected ads. The user experience on this tablet is thoughtfully designed and exceptionally user-friendly. Not to mention, this tablet is equipped with a solid 8000 mAh battery, meticulously optimized for extended all-day use. This substantial battery capacity ensures uninterrupted functionality and high performance, providing approximately 9 hours of gaming, 9.5 hours of online video streaming, and 14 hours of reading time. The Teclast T50HD comes as a commendable tablet choice, seamlessly blending design, performance, and affordability. Its screen, certified by TUV Island low blue light certifications, ensures comfortable viewing experience in all conditions. The Unisoc Tiger T606 processor delivers a smooth and energy-conscious performance, complemented by 6GB of RAM, expandable to 14GB for fluid multitasking. The tablet's 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, expandable up to 1TB, offers ample space for digital content. And coupled with the Wildline L1 certification, it ensures an immersive media experience, supporting streaming services in a brilliant 1080 pixel resolution and above. Whether for work, multimedia or gaming, this tablet stands out as a versatile and capable device, earning praise for its impressive features and a budget-friendly price point. If the T50HD has caught your interest, visit the official sales link provided below this video. Hurry up and take advantage of the special promotional price available for a limited time. Seize the opportunity to own this Teclast T50HD while there is a chance. A versatile and solid performance tablet. That ends our review for now. Stay tuned for our new upcoming video. Until then, take care and bye.